Hello students, in this video we will continue with the chapter Money. This is our second part. In our previous part we have covered about money, Indian currency, expressing money in words and figures and conversion of money. In this we have covered from rupees to paisa and from paise to rupees. If you have not watched that video, please watch it for better understanding. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. Let us start with today's topic. Addition of money. Let us understand how do we add the amounts of money with an example. Add rupees 20, 25 paise and rupees 52 and 75 paise. So there are two methods of doing this. First of all, we make the columns. As the amounts is in rupees and paisa, so we will make two columns. One is of rupee and next is of paisa. So under the column of rupees, we will write the amount of rupees, and under the column of paisa, we will write the amounts of paise. So our first number is 20 rupees 25 paise. So here we will write 20 and here we will write 25. Now we will put the sign of addition first, then we will write the second number. It is rupees 52 75 paisa. So 52 will come below 20 and 75 below 25. Now we will start our addition. Remember, we always start with the rightmost column. So 5 plus 5, 10, 0 will come here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. So 0 will come here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Here we will write 3. Now 2 plus 5, 7. So we will write 7 here. What is our answer? Our answer is rupees 73.00. It is 73 rupees. Let us do second method. In this we do not make columns, we simply write the numbers. Like first is rupees 20.25 paisa. Below it we will write the second number. Remember, we write the numbers below each other, like we have put the sign below the first rupee sign. Then we will write here 52, and also remember that the dot should be below the first dot. Then we will write the amount of paise. Now we will do our addition. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. 0 will come here and 1 carry over. Here also we will put the dot below the dot. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 will come here. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 will come here. And we will here put the sign of rupees. This is our answer. So answer is rupees 73.00. This is the answer. See, in both the methods the answer is same. We can use any of the method, either the column method or by simply writing the numbers below each other and adding it. Let us do one more example. Add rupees 105 23 paise, next rupees 94 33 paise and rupees 143 40 paise. First we will write this in columns. We will write the sign of rupees, then the amount 105.23 paisa, then next amount, the sign of rupees below it, then 94, then dot below the first dot, then amount of paise. Similarly we will write the third number 143.40 paise. We will draw a line, then the sign of addition. Now we will start addition. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 0, 11. So 1 will come here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 will come here and 1 carry over in the rupees column. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 3 will come here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 4 will come here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2, here there is no number. 2 plus 1, 3, here we will write 3 and then the sign of rupees. So what will be our answer? Our answer is rupees 343 dot rupee paise 1. So this is our answer. This is how we add. Now let us start our next topic, that is subtraction of money. Let us understand this with an example. Subtract rupees 21 20 paise from rupees 78 50 paise. So we can subtract in two methods. First is by arranging in columns. Let us do. Like we did in addition, similarly we will do in subtraction. We will make two columns. One is of rupees and another is of paise. We will write the amount of rupees below rupees column and amount of paise below paise column. First we will write this number. So we will write 78 below the column of rupees and 50 paise below the column of paisa. Then we will put the sign of subtraction. Now we will write this number. 21 will come in rupees column and 20 in paise column. Now we will start our subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 will come here. Now 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. So our answer is rupees 57.30 paise. This is our answer. Now let us do by second method, that is writing it directly. We will put the sign of rupees, then we will write this amount, 78 rupees dot 50 paise. Then we will put the sign of subtraction, then this amount. Here the sign of rupees below it, 21 below rupees amount, then dot below dot and then 20 paise. Now we will start the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. We will put a dot below dot. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. So this is our answer. Here we will put the sign of rupees. So what is our answer? Rupees 57.30 paise. This is our answer. See, both the methods answer are same. This is how we do subtraction. Let us do one more example. Find the difference between rupees 754.35 paise and rupees 123 and 90 paise. First we will write this in columns. As you know, difference is also subtraction. First we will write the first amount, 754.35 paise. Then the next amount is, first we will put the sign of subtraction. Next amount is 123 dot below dot, then the amount of paise. Now we will do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 9 we cannot do because 3 is smaller. We will borrow from here, 4. 4 will become 3 and 3 will become 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. We will write here 4. Then we will put a dot. Now 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 7 minus 1, 6. So our subtraction is over. Here we will write the sign of rupees. So our answer will be rupees 630.45. This is our answer. This is how we do subtraction. So today we did two topics, addition of money and subtraction of money. I hope you have understood the topics. Please hit the like button if you like the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon.